Magandang hapon po ng September 26, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 26, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, September 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 26, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 8.5 million pesos for Thursday, September 26, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for September 26, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.